Hi, my name is Rifat and welcome back to Nextep now. In this video, I'm going to talk with you why you should start YouTube in 2026. For the last couple of years, I have been working on YouTube, and to be honest, I didn't earn a single penny, but I earned a lot of skills that completely changed my life. So first of all, that I want to say, I was so much introvert without no confidence. And then I started YouTube. Honestly, I started YouTube to earn money. But the reality is, I was not fully prepared that time. I was not so much confident to talk with you guys in front of the camera. But when I started my YouTube journey um, since 2021, I learned something that I have to do something in front of the camera. YouTube is a great platform in 2026, not only a platform, but also a way to highlight your skills, present your thoughts to the people, teach people, and definitely earn passive income through the YouTube AdSense. And some of the people actually made this YouTube as a source of their active income. But the thing is that what I learned through YouTube journey, those are actually valuable. First of all, I learned how to be confident. Yes, today, when talking with you guys, believe me, I have no confidence issues. I have no fear in my heart. I am so much confident. Deliver my speech in front of you. Even if I stand on a stage in front of the thousands of people, I don't care to speak there. I don't care to deliver my speech. I will be able to deliver my speech without any kind of fear, with so much confidence. So YouTube, first of all, gave me the confidence. It teaches how to talk in front of the camera, how to talk in front of the thousands of people. Then I started learning how to face the camera. I don't fear right now to face the camera. When I started my YouTube journey, that time I used to fear in front of the camera to talk. Uh, and I didn't know how to talk in front of the camera, what to talk, what are the scripts. But believe me, today I have no scripts, and I'm delivering my speech in front of you guys uh, from the bottom of my heart. And these are not actually scripted. These are the words that I have experienced in my past couple of years. So then I learned how to edit, YouTube algorithm, and so much things. It took a lot of times from me. When I started my YouTube journey, for the last couple of years, I created countless channels. I invested countless hours, countless nights without sleep, and still I'm struggling. Still, I don't earn any single penny. But I'm so much confident with the YouTube journey. I have learned how to do communication with people, how to talk with people, how to face the camera, how to talk or how to deliver a speech in front of the thousands of people on the stage. And right now, I'm so much confident to deliver a speech anywhere. This actually provided me an opportunity to work as a campus ambassador on my university campus, which was connected with Microsoft, and I did my job there. That was basically kind of internship, and that opportunity actually came with the skill of my speaking. I was involving in their sales, marketing, and yeah, that was really amazing. Last year, I actually did the thing. I did marketing, on offline marketing, online marketing, and I also um, brought a lot of sales for them. So that was really interesting. So I will not suggest you to create a YouTube channel and focus to earn money in the beginning. I will suggest you in 2026, it's a great platform to to highlight yourself in front of the people and make yourself better. When you have a good audience, or they will like your contents, that time definitely money will come. No issues there. But first of all, what you have to do is you have to create a platform and ensure that yes, you had a good audience, you were delivering valuable content for them, you're developing gradually day by day, and finally you will notice that yes, money is coming and there's no issues. So if you want to develop yourself in 2026, if you want to bring personal improvement, personal growth, self development in your life, then definitely you should start YouTube in 2026. And it will be better if you can do the content creation with your faces. I mean, you should show your face in front of the camera. So anyway, that was the thing that I wanted to tell you guys. Still, my English is not so good. I'm developing myself as English my second language, so I have to work a lot on this. But I feel what I wanted to say from the bottom of my heart, uh, I make you understand that. So keep me in your prayers. If it's possible, then send me your good wishes, and I will develop myself better. And one day, I will be, inshallah, one of the famous and best creators on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And don't forget to like and share the content with your friends and families. Bye bye.